Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. Welcome to this gentle yoga flow designed for beginners and perfect for a full body stretch. Find a comfortable space, roll out your mat, and let's begin. Start by sitting tall, shoulders relaxed, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting any tension melt away. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. From here, gently roll over into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide, press firmly into the mat, and move into cat-cow stretches. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest and tailbone toward the sky. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and press the ground away. Continue this movement with your breath, waking up the spine. Now, tuck your toes and lift your hips into downward facing dog. Press your heels toward the mat, soften your knees if needed, and feel the stretch along the back of your legs and spine. Take a few breaths here, gently pedaling out your feet. Step your right foot forward between your hands, coming into a low lunge. Keep your left knee down. Sink your hips forward and lift your chest. Feel the stretch in your hip flexors. Breathe deeply, then slowly switch sides, stepping the left foot forward and repeating the lunge. Next, step both feet to the front of your mat and fold forward. Let your head and arms hang heavy, releasing tension from the neck and shoulders. You can bend your knees slightly to keep it gentle. Slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time, until your head lifts last. Raise your arms overhead for a gentle standing stretch, lengthening your whole body. Then exhale and bring your hands to your heart center. Now, step your feet wide apart for a standing wide leg stretch. Place your hands on your hips. Inhale to lengthen your spine. To the mat and lie on your back. Hug your knees into your chest, gently rocking side to side to massage the lower back. Extend your legs out long, arms by your sides, and close your eyes for a brief relaxation. Allow your body to absorb the benefits of your practice. Take a final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Wiggle your fingers and toes, then roll to one side and come up to a seated position. Bring your hands together at your heart. Thank yourself for showing up today. This was a simple yet powerful yoga flow to stretch your